I turned this simple text prompt into this video. From Apollo to Mars, our journey through space is nothing short of amazing. Yeah, it's incredible. It's my voice. Then I converted the video that's in my voice into this language, dall'Apollo a Marte, il nostro viaggio nello spazio, and then this language, espacio, desde el Apolo hasta Marte, nuestro viaje espacial. And I don't speak either of them. I did all of this completely using AI. No script writing, no filming, no finding B-roll, no voiceover, all 100% AI. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. To get started, click the link in the description of this video. This will bring you to the INVIDEO AI sign up page. You can sign up using your Google account, Apple account, or by just putting your email into the box below. Then click Create Account. Once you are signed up, you'll be brought to your workspace, which is where you can begin creating videos from a simple text prompt. But before we do that, we need to go to our settings to turn on beta features. Mine are already on, but for the sake of example, I'll turn them off and then back on. This will allow us to get access to experimental features in INVIDEO AI before anyone else. Now click on the INVIDEO AI logo on the top left corner to easily get back to your workspace. So we want this video that we're creating to be using our own voice to make it more authentic. And how we'll do this is by clicking on voices on the left side of the screen and clicking Add Voice. Here, there are some clear instructions on how to clone your voice. Submit recording of at least 30 seconds, mention I give INVIDEO the permission to use my voice in this workspace, pause in between sentences like you normally would, and use high quality voice recording equipment. So I took the time to do all of that, and what I will now do is take the recording and drag it into INVIDEO AI. Now a few boxes pop up that we need to check. This is my voice, or I have rights to it. This voice sample includes permission to clone. Voice sample includes natural pauses and filler words. This was recorded using high quality equipment. Once you do all of that, click My Sample Looks Good. INVIDEO AI will then analyze your recording, and you'll have to wait a couple minutes while it creates a clone of your voice. Once your voice is successfully cloned, you'll see it listed in the Voices tab. The default name for your voice will be User's Voice, but I'm gonna go in and change that to My Voice, just to make it easier for myself, and now I'm gonna click to use the voice in my video. This will bring you to a prompt box, where you can put in simple text prompts to create videos. Another way to get to your prompt box to create a new video is from your workspace. So click on the INVIDEO AI logo and then click Create AI Video. Now, before we get into the actual prompt that I used to create this video, it's important to go over a couple tips for prompt writing. See, the more detailed your prompt, the better that your video is going to come out. Imagine if you were given instructions on how to create a video and someone gave you simple instructions like create a video about a dog. You're not going to know what direction to go with it. So here are 3 simple steps to creating better prompts for INVIDEO AI. Number 1, be specific and clear. So instead of saying create a video about cooking, say create a 6-minute video tutorial on how to bake a chocolate cake with step-by-step instructions and ingredient lists. Number 2, adding context helps. You can expand on this prompt by saying, the video is for first-time bakers, so keep the instructions simple and clear. Number 3, specify video and audio elements. So we can add one more sentence to this prompt, use upbeat, fun background music, and select vibrant, cheerful B-roll. If you use these 3 tips in your prompt writing, then you're gonna be good to go. At this point, you're ready to enter your text prompt. But before you do, you want to make sure that you're using INVIDEO AI's version 2.0. If it's not already set to this model, click above the prompt box to change it. This will allow us to create videos that we can convert to 55 different languages. Here are the most requested languages. You can convert your videos to these languages and many more. Some of the other features of INVIDEO AI version 2.0 are a wider selection of voiceovers, more relevant stock images, higher quality music. It allows you to create prompts that are up to 25,000 characters long in any language that you want, and more. Now, let's write our prompt. For this video, the prompt that I'm going to use is create a short, inspirational YouTube video about how far humans have come when it comes to space travel. Use storytelling to highlight key milestones. Keep the language simple and relatable. And finally, use my voice. Then click Generate Video. INVIDEO AI will now start creating your video. But first, it needs a few more inputs to create the best video possible. So I want the audience to be general public so that it appeals to more people. Inspirational is good for the look and feel, and YouTube is good for the platform. Click continue and let INVIDEO AI go to work. Here is what it created in minutes. Stop dreaming and start exploring. From Apollo to Mars, our journey through space is nothing short of amazing. It all started in 1969 with Apollo 11. Neil Armstrong's famous one small step turned into a giant leap for mankind. Fast forward to the 2000s, and we've got the International Space Station, a home in the stars. Now we're gearing up for Mars. NASA's Perseverance rover is paving the way, searching for signs of ancient life. And soon, humans will follow. From moon dust to Martian soil, our curiosity knows no bounds. The universe is our next great adventure. Ready to join the journey? Okay, so that was pretty cool. It sounded just like me, but the video itself does need a little bit of work, so we need to tell INVIDEO AI to fix it. How you can easily do that is by using the edit command box. For instance, I want to add subtitles to my video, so I'll just say add subtitles, and in seconds my video will have subtitles. Some other edit commands that I'll use in this video are create a more engaging hook for the first line of the video, add a call to action to subscribe to my YouTube channel at the end of the video, change the B-roll video in the first scene. Let's take a look at where the video is now. Have you ever wondered how we went from building tiny rockets to exploring space? From Apollo to Mars, our journey through space is nothing short of amazing. It all started in 1969 with Apollo 11. Neil Armstrong's famous one small step turned into a giant leap for mankind. Fast forward to the 2000s, and we've got the International Space Station, a home in the stars. Now we're gearing up for Mars. NASA's Perseverance rover is paving the way, searching for signs of ancient life. And soon, humans will follow. From moon dust to Martian soil, our curiosity knows no bounds. The universe is our next great adventure. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more great videos about space exploration. If we want to edit the video further, we can click Edit right here. If you have your own media that you want to add to the video, you can upload it by clicking Upload Media. Otherwise, you could search through millions of stock photos and videos to find the perfect B-roll for your videos. If you click Edit Script, you can add any text that you want into the script of your video, and you can edit any part of the script that was created by INVIDEO AI. For this video, I think it's in a good spot. So what I'm gonna do is download this publish ready video in English before I convert it to any other language. Now it's important to note that in order to download videos without the INVIDEO watermark, you must have a paid plan. But if you're okay with the watermark, you can make up to 4 videos per week for free with INVIDEO AI. But to convert your videos to multiple languages, which we're about to get into, you will need a paid plan. Now, let's convert this video into another language. Let's say I want to convert this video to Italian. I will type in the edit command box, convert this video to Italian. And just like that, here's the result. Vi siete mai chiesti come siamo passati dalla costruzione di piccoli razzi all'esplorazione dello spazio? Dall'Apollo a Marte, il nostro viaggio nello spazio è, a dir poco, incredibile. This is so crazy to me. It sounds exactly like me, but it's in Italian, which I don't even speak. Now, let's see how the video sounds in Spanish. To convert the video from Italian to Spanish, all we have to do is type in convert video to Spanish. Then in a minute or so, the video will be in Spanish and still in my voice. Let's check it out. ¿Alguna vez te has preguntado cómo pasamos de construir pequeños cohetes a explorar el espacio? Desde el Apolo hasta Marte, nuestro viaje espacial es increíble. Once again, my mind is blown. Now, once we have it in a language that we want, to export the video, all we have to do is click download and download video. We don't want watermarks, we don't want the INVIDEO AI branding, and 1080p is fine. So hit continue. And then INVIDEO AI will work to prepare your download. And once it's ready, INVIDEO AI will automatically download your video. If the download doesn't start automatically, you can just hit download at the bottom of the screen. Crazy. Within minutes, I was able to put a simple text prompt in, and then it spit out a video in my own voice. And then I was able to convert that to 2 languages that I've never even spoken. If you want to do the same, you can use the link in the description to get started. Now again, to have access to the multilingual features that we presented in this video, well, you will need a paid plan, but it's worth it. By simply pressing a button, you can create videos that appeal to audiences everywhere in the world. So I hope that you'll take advantage of that. Now, something like this is extremely useful for creating a network of faceless YouTube channels. If you're not familiar with faceless YouTube channels, well, we created a series on everything about them, from how to start them, how to grow them, how to make money with them. So if you haven't seen the first video in this series, which is why 99% of faceless YouTube channels fail, you'll want to start with that. So I highly recommend you go watch that video. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.